Here I have Huawei Mate 20 Lite and let me show you how to enter the simple mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, choose system. Here let's choose simple mode, so you can use the minimalistic and clean home screen and also the large icons just by using that mode. All you need to do is tap apply. As you can see right now, you can use this kind of the simple mode, so you can use this minimalistic look. Sometimes you may prefer the following layout, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's just swipe to the left and choose standard mode. Tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. Right now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.